Well, this bowl's an experiment, so I haven't done much videoing on it, but basically I'm going to see if I can turn this, still have these holes intact to be able to make raised circles to go around the feature ring. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'll do some turning on it, but I won't video it. Well, the turning was successful. I have very little tear out. I'm going to go ahead and sand this, and then I'll be able to take measurements to make the protruding disc circles on my CNC. So I have done some grinding on here, and I've had some gaps, especially when the dome was sunken into the hole a little bit. So I filled the gaps with sawdust from ash, the same board, and Type Bond glue, and filled all the gaps. And now I gotta do a little more grinding and sanding to get this thing ready to finish. So I did a bunch of carving on here to try to get this smooth around the perimeter of the domes. And I've sanded it down to 220 grit now. I'm going to do a little more sanding down to about 600 grit and then put friction polish on. I'll come back when I'm putting the friction polish on. Ready to apply friction polish. And tomorrow I'll put carnauba wax on using a similar method, and then I'll cut it off and it'll be done. Ready to apply carnauba wax. Well, that completes the bowl other than cutting it off and engraving the bottom.